Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 1. I'm making diesel noises with my mouth.
Welcome back, Jack.
So first we got the 24 barrel Cummins 5.9. So, and then after that we have the 12 barrel Cummins 5.9. Now we got the 6.7 Cummins. The old 6.0 Power Stroke. Puppy dogs come out to play. Good George. Come here. Want my decent noise with me? Up. Good boy. Say hi to camera smoke. My puppy dog. The 6.7. 6.7 flyby. Now we got the 6.6 Duramax. Then we got the LBZ. Okay. 6.6, here it goes. Look at him. Look at this boy. Okay, now we got the LBZ. And I'll come back from part 2 soon. See ya. Bye.